This is a drain pipe for my swimming pool waste on the other side of the yard. A couple of years ago, this got clogged up, and I'm not sure why, but I uncovered it today. It's right near the driveway, and I got some water running into it, and I want to see where the leak or where the backup starts coming out. It's only a matter of time until the water shows itself, so let's just be patient for a little bit, and let's see what's going on. Sometimes very soon we're going to see water starting to come out from somewhere over here. Then I'll be able to focus more on where it's coming from. Oh, here it is. Coming from right over in here. You see it? It's almost like it's coming out from underneath the pipe. I'm not sure. It says it's perforated pipe, but I'm not sure what's going on here. I'm going to dig a little with my shovel. Okay, so it looks like it's coming from like maybe around the seam or coming up from here somewhere. I can see some moisture over here. Yeah, there you go. You see something here. See something happening. Yeah, you can see something happening there, see? Trying to work this one arm here. Yeah, looks like we've got roots up in that pipe. You see it? You see roots coming out of there? I'm gonna have to let this dry up and see what I can get to happen. I may have to cut the pipe here, put a new elbow on there, and bring it up on top of the driveway with a screen on it. But I can definitely see there's a problem there with the roots. So you can see the roots right there coming out of the pipe. All right, that's enough for now. I'll show you what I was dealing with. So when I put my pump to waste, which is on the other side of the house, and it's plumbed all around the house over to where we just were. See, we got this right here. All right. And that's where my downspout goes into also. And that also uses that same pipe. But that's kind of where we're at with this. So let's dig into it deeper when it dries up, and I'll report back. This is going to be interesting. This is a pipe that runs from my pool filter all around my yard, and it comes out by the driveway. I want you to take a look at that one down here. That is completely clogged. You can see it, it's just full of mud. And my line was backing up and causing some problems. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over to the filter. I'm gonna do like a 15-second backwash and a rinse, and then dump some stuff to waste. I wanna see if any clog comes out of this pipe. So I'm gonna let you guys watch for a while, and obviously I'll find out when I come back what happened. Okay, I'm going to assume that that came flooding out of there. As you can see, it goes down the driveway, all right, which is pretty far. So now what that tells me is I'm going to take that 90 off of there. I'm going to put a 45 degree on it. I'm going to shoot it out. I'm going to shoot it out this way, all right, and then we'll be all good with it, and I'll put the rock back over it. But as far as that other pipe that's submerged, I don't know where that's going. I don't care at this point because it looks like I've gotten rid of the clog, and that was major because that was backing the whole system up on me, and I couldn't do an adequate backwash. Other than that, you've seen it here first, folks. It's still coming out because the pipe is still draining. I'm back in filter mode, but I'm happy to watch this. I'm looking forward to watching this and see exactly what happened when the flow of water came through. Take care.